everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today I'm going to open another SketchBox. SketchBox is a monthly art subscription box. This month looks like the featured artist for the box is Rebecca Malkin, and you can follow her at Instagram at Rebecca Rocket. It tells you how you can get your drawings on their box. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. Can't find the opening. Looks like this one's wrapped upside down. And there we go. So let's just put this in the back and start taking one thing at a time. They do put in their little cards. This will tell us what's in the box. This is the January sketch box. We'll look at that right after. A little Get SketchBox School. It tells you, hey, go here and we'll show you how to use your supplies. The featured artist in the box. It's a lovely card for January is Todd Sowell, born in New York in 1964, and it tells you all about Todd as an artist and a musician, and it tells you how to follow Todd. Looks like he has a website at toddsowell.com. And then it also tells you how you can be the featured artist by emailing an example of your work to getsketchbox.com. Next up, looks like we have a very nice Stonehenge Aqua cold press paper, but it's black. That is awesome. Let's open it up. So this is, I've never seen watercolor paper. Yeah, I've never seen watercolor paper that was black before, and this does say it's aqua cold press, so watercolor, not as textured as the normal, but it's very thick, and it is 300 GSM, 140 pound, 100% cotton, so very nice. Stonehenge is a very good quality paper from what I've seen. And I'm excited to use the black. Let's see what they have in here for us to use it with. First up is a very cool metallic watercolor. Very pretty indeed. Let's see if I have a water brush with some water in it. It's limited edition SketchBox. So it is SketchBox's own brand. It tells you all about it on the back. Nope, it just says dark teal. Made in Germany. So let's take a look. Very nice, very vibrant when wet. Let's see what it looks like when it's dry. So while that's off to the side drying, we have a paintbrush. It is a silver crystal angle brush, 3/8. So very nice. I like that they always include paintbrushes. Of course, they always have water brushes. A Reminisce white gel pen, which I'm always looking for good gel pens, so this one might need 2 layers to get that very opaque white that I'd be looking for. Seems nice. Be nice to work with. My knife sitting here. Oh, and then we have some watercolor paintbrushes, or paints. That is Cotman's Watercolor Intense Blue. Hopefully it shows up on black. which it definitely shows up on black. That's what it looks like when it's dry. Get some water in there, see what's going to happen. Next up is a yellow, same brand, lemon yellow, which will definitely show up. And in fact, there's still blue on my paintbrush, so it might look a little green. And looks like one more. Hopefully red. And it is not. It is white. It is titanium white. And then the sticker. It looks like the box with the puppy dog on it. I can see it. Okay, now let's look at the card and see how much they say everything costs. So the Cotman watercolors is actually a Winsor Newton brand. Oh yeah, it's up there. It's in black. So these two retail for $4.99 each. So that makes sense. The metallic dark teal, $7.99 exclusive. We worked with Finetech to create a brand new watercolor formulation only available in this box. Cool. And you can mix it with other colors, so I bet you those two blues mixed would be very pretty. The titanium white is $14.99. It's a staff favorite. The brush is $5.10. The gel pen is $1.49. And the reason it doesn't feel like the values here compared to the other one is the full set here of paper. This little guy retails for $12.99. So that is the January SketchBox premium box. Let me know what you think. I will post a video of my creation. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please make sure you subscribe. I'm getting really close to 250 subscribers. So excited. And thanks again for all your support. Time to create.